What's up, guys? Trade recap for the day. So this was the only win that I was able to catch for the day. Honestly, I was looking for longs at the start of the day, so we had a few things graded on my daily chart. Um, and honestly, I also made this video pretty late because of the fact that I just had an exam, so I just came back from my exam, and now I'm just gonna make the daily recap. So this grading is from that daily book from yesterday, and then I also graded. This was also a grade from yesterday's daily wick because of the fact that we dropped down, mitigated a order block, still respecting the 4 hour fair value gap and displaced up. So I was like, okay, let's look for longs. Not only that, but 8:30 news push price up. So I was like, what if we see like longs coming from New York Open? Let's see if we sweep up these data lows and then come back up. So we got an SMT here at the 8:30 lows, the data lows. So I was like, okay, let's look for some longs. We got the inversion, but we never produced first presented fair value gap yet. So I was like, okay, let's just chill for a bit. And then it just chop, chop, chop. We got the sweep of slash SMT of these highs, and then price gave us the first presented fair value gap, but also dumped down hella. So I was like, okay, we might be looking for longs because of the fact that I also marked this down in my Discord, but overall, if you just look at it, we're just kind of just in a range. Um, we're not able to break through even previous day highs today. So it's telling me that um, we could actually just be bearish or like just very rangy. So that's when I just decided to come open as shorts. And um during 9:50 macro, we messed up on this long here, but during 9:50 macro, we tried to take some longs because of the fact that we were still in the 4 hour fair value gap, and then we were also tapping in to the daily wick. So tapped into the daily wick, got a displacement candle, dropped down one more time, tapped this order block, inversion fair value gap. I entered there, got stopped out. And then in here, I got break even stopped. And then I tried to take one more stab at longs here, but then I got fully stopped out. So I think I tried to get in at this fair value gap, but my stops were way too tight. So my stop should have been like here, break even there, and then TP would have been up here. But so I got, but because of like I don't know when I'm like in consolidation, I think I pulled my stop loss way too tight, and I eventually just got stopped out. And then after I got stopped out, I was like, okay, let's just chill. I think we might just be extremely bearish. So then that's when I kind of decided to just wait and see what happens because we just produced this 15-minute fair value gap. We just produced this 15-minute fair value gap. So I was like, let's see what we do with this 15-minute fair value gap. So I got stopped out here, and then we saw my break even get hit, which was also the 15-minute, and we broke down aggressively. But then yes, it was an institutional order flow entry drill, but then that entry wasn't perfect to me because of the fact that I went on the 30-second and it didn't inverse the 30-second. So I was like, okay, let's just chill for a bit and wait for the 10:30 macro. So 10:30 macro comes back up, taps into the 15-minute one more time, breaks down aggressively, also respects perfectly of the 50% of this wick, which was the original institutional order flow entry drill. One more tap into the 15-minute, breaks down aggressively, gives us the inversion, gives us the disrespect of this order block. So I'm like, okay, let's tag into long shorts. I mean, stops were at this body high. Anticipating that it was going to be a fair value gap one, and also that it was going to be a breakaway gap. So that's exactly what we got. Breakaway gap, dump down, and honestly, like institutional order flow entry drill, it's like we're extremely bearish. So what you really want to see is just continuous bearish candles. So bearish candles sweeps up these lows. And that was my full TP. And honestly, I would have left. I had runners, so I only got out originally with 3 here. But then I had my daily profit target. I forgot that I set it up for 320 for the day. So I forgot I set it up for 320 for the day. And that's how much I won. I would have just had TPs here, and I probably would have taken out 2 here and 1 here. But yeah, regardless, very clean trading from me for the day. Only on the 10:30 macro. This trade was not clean at all. Like I should have just recognized that we were just consolidating and just mark out like the overall range and see what we sweep up first and go from there. We swept at the 15-minute institutional order flow integral and breakdown, and that was the trade of the day for me that I should have just taken. So I should have been up 900 for the day, but unfortunately I am not. But regardless, very clean. Um, very clean for the big win. Only risking about 280 for that trade. So yeah, we were able to make back our $500 loss and make back another 320 to secure a payout. But yeah. So this I just took out a payout just now. And just to show you guys that you can actually do this, like this payout may low-key not even look like too much money, like it's $1,000. But it means a lot to me because of the fact that like previously, like last year, I was able to get payouts, but these payouts would be like so far from each other, 6 month difference, 3 months difference, and then every single time I would get a payout, it would like lead to me blowing the account. So then I would just waste more money, get a payout, blow it. So then it like net wise, it was not net positive. So this is the first time I'm able to like get one payout, use the same account, and get another payout. And yes, I had a couple of days where like I lost 500, but then I was able to make my wins a lot bigger than my losses, which is all you gotta do, to be honest. As long as you make your wins bigger than your losses, while also maintaining your your risk management, you're good. So I think that's everything for the day. I didn't expect us to go this low, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I think that's everything for the day. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace.